Hello and welcome to Mastering Server-Side Swift using Vapor 3. My name is Mohammed Azam and I will be your instructor. I have been programming in iOS for the last 8 years, and during the course of that time I have worked with many large as well as small companies as a mobile team lead. I love teaching on Udemy. As you can see, I have 16 courses on Udemy with more than 26,000 students and around 1,300 or more reviews. I have created courses on many different uh, topics, which includes blockchain as well as ARKit and mastering server-side Swift using Vapor 2 as well as Vapor 1. I definitely urge you to check out my other courses also. But apart from Udemy, I am a full-time instructor at a boot camp. So this is my full-time job. I actually go to a physical class and teach people physically to how to become a better developer and how to master their coding skills. Apart from Digital Crafts and Udemy, I have also some courses on Lynda. And if you are like me, you already know that Lynda has a very high bar of instructors. You can go to lynda.com to check out my courses on Kaitura as well as creating the iMessages and sticker applications. So let's talk about this particular course, Mastering Server-Side Swift using Vapor 3. We're obviously going to start with the very beginning, where I will show you that what is server-side Swift, what kind of different frameworks are available, how you can install Vapor, and how you can say hello world from Vapor. After that, we are going to dive into understanding the routes. We're going to understand parameters, nested routes, query strings, and so on. JSON is the recommended format when you are transferring data from between the client and the server, and we're going to see that how server-side Swift using Vapor 3 makes it so easy to transform your model classes and send it back as a single item or an array of items. Vapor 3 is all based on futures, which in other words, it's async responses. We're going to learn about futures and how you can use FlatMap and map to convert your responses as future responses. We're going to learn how to create a complete CRUD API using SQLite Fluent Provider and SQLite 3 database. We're going to create a complete web API for Nyla's Garden application that we will later use to create iPhone application. But before moving to that, we are going to understand what exactly are controllers and how controllers can help us write much better modularized code. And after that, we are going to jump into integrating the Vapor Web API that we created earlier to create a complete iPhone application. We are going to be filling in the blanks for our iPhone application, which will going to allow us to display all the different dishes that were available for the Nyla's Garden Web API and perform all the CRUD operations using the Web API we discussed earlier. I really hope that you enjoy this course. So Vapor 3 is pretty much new APIs and new things. If you have done Vapor 1 and Vapor 2, Vapor 3 is completely different. It's basically written from scratch, from ground up. And I really hope that you enjoy this course, and I will be adding more sections to this course as the time goes by. Thank you so much for supporting my courses, and I really hope that you enjoy the course. So if you're ready, let's get started.